Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kakanhon jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ka babat yu lakam sensar hakani ke jela Meghalaya kalarai banye kendo lang haka khatnyau terek bna jelleu arajar arpo ars ngi shwa ka jingi tap vote na ka benta ka election MP Syar Rajya Sabha ka ban salong haka khat khandai terek mata bna jelleu arajar arpo Menteri Rangba ke jela ukondat kongkal sama habai keren bat kinong patai kubor ulai tho bahadu mentahi kakanhon MDA kadan baj apdeng ka jingi teli bat kadan ru ya kathong ban Punjab dan burom yu kurtong yamon lang ubana kaseng National People's Party u Dr. WR Kharlukhi u balang ru State President jong ka NPP Meghalaya State Unit.
Elections for the Rajya Sabha have been declared for the 19th of June. We're thankful to the Election Commission for having announced it. The MDA partners are all together in the decision which we had taken earlier also. And our candidate, Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi, is also in the process of speaking to all the partners once again. I will also be speaking to them again regarding the elections that is coming up. And the MDA is going to meet on the 17th of June to once again go through the entire election process to ensure that the procedure also is all the MLAs, because a lot of them are first-time MLAs who have not voted in the Rajya Sabha election, so that there are no mistakes. So we'll be having a meeting on the 17th also regarding that.